Hello students, welcome back to the class. So once again we will start our topic linear equation in one variable. So already 2.4 exercise we have completed, but some students have doubt in last question, so I am explaining once again. Okay, so what is question number 10? Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age, so find their present ages. Okay, so simple, what will you do? Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. It means if you know about the son's age, so simply you can find out the Aman's age. So you will assume let his son's age is equal to x years. Son's age is x years. Now simply you will find out Aman's age. Aman's age, present age. Okay, you will write to find out the present age. So let his son's present age is x years and Aman's present age will be equal to 3 times his son. So 3 times his son means 3 multiply x. So you can say 3x years. Clear? Now what will you do? 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Okay, 10 years पहले क्या था वो? अमन जो था वो अपनी सन की एज का क्या था? 5 टाइम्स, 5 गुना. So first you will find out 10 years ago his son's age. So 10 years ago what will be his age, son's age? So present age is x years, or 10 years ago it will be x minus 10. Same 10 years ago Aman's age. So 10 years ago Aman's age will be, the present age is 3x years and 10 years ago it will be 3x minus 10. Clear? Now according to the question, what is saying? He was means Aman's age. So it is 3x minus 10. 5 times is equal to 5 times his son's age. So 5 times son's age is 10 years ago, it is x minus 10 years. Okay, 10 years ago son's age is x minus 10 and 10 years ago Aman's age is 3x minus 10. Now simple equation, so you can solve this equation. 3x minus 10 is equal to, open the bracket, so 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 10 minus 50. Now minus 10, 50 you will take left hand side and 3x right hand side, so 5x minus 3x. Clear? Now it will be 40 is equal to 2x. Clear beta? 40 is equal to 2x. When the variable is given both the sides, so how will you solve the equation? Simple, you will take x variable one side and all the constant values another side. Now 40 is equal to 2x. So what will be the value of x? So you can say 40 divided by 2. So it will be 20. So you can say x will be equal to 20. Clear? What is the value of x? It is 20 years. 20, sorry. Okay, so what will be, x is 20, it means his son's present age will be beta x year. X years means 20 years and Aman's present age will be 3 into 20, so you can say it will be 60 years. Okay, so you have to find their present ages. So his son's present age will be 20 years and Aman's present age it will be 3 into 20, 60 years. Is it clear? So simple, when you are finding the age before 10 years or 10 years ago, so it means you will subtract. Okay, because beta, if you are, for example, if you are 15 years old, so 10 years ago what was your age? So it will be 5 years now. So 15 minus 10, 5 years. So simple, what is the present age? Subtract 10 from the present age. So 3x, x minus 10 and Aman's age will be 3x minus 10. Now after that, according to the question, simply you have to find out the value of x and put the value of x in their present ages. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will start exercise 2.5 and 2.5 beta is totally based on reducing equation to simplest form. Okay. Now we will start our exercise. 2.4 is completed. Now we will start exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5, reducing equation to the simplest form. Okay, what is given? Next exercise, reducing equation to simplest form. Okay, two equations are given and you have to reduce the equation in simplest form. For example, equation is given like that: 2x plus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 5x plus 9 divided by 5. So simple, you have to solve this equation. So how will you solve this equation, beta? Both sides variable is given. So simply first what will you do? You will put all the variable values one side and all the constant values on the other side. So simply how will you solve this type of equation? So you can see 3 is in denominator of complete 2x plus 5 and 5 is in denominator of 5x plus 9. So first step you will multiply. So you will cross multiply. So 5 will multiply by 2x plus 5 and 3 will multiply by 5x plus 9. Okay. Now simple, open the equation. 5 2s are 10x plus 5 5s are 55. 3 5s are 15x and 3 9s are 27. Okay. Now this type of equation already you have solved when the variable is given both the sides. Okay. So how will you solve? Put the variable one side. So 25 minus 27 is equal to 15x minus 10x. So it will be minus 2 is equal to 5x. So what will be the value of x? So minus 2 upon 5. Okay, it means reducible equation to simplest form. Equation is given and in this equation, any equation is given, you have to find out the value of the variable. You have to simplify it and after that you have to find out the value of the variable. So this type of equations are given in your next exercise. So one by one we will solve all the questions. So question number 1. Question number 1. X by 2 minus 1 by 5. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is. So beta, now question number first, exercise 2.5, reducing equation to simplest form. So how will you reduce the equation, beta? So simply it is given x by 2, first question, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 by 4. Clear? So how will you solve the equation? So simply I have already told you when the variable is given both the sides. So how will you solve the equation? Simply you will put first variable values one side. So this is one variable values and this is also. So x by 2, x by 3 you will take left hand side. So it will be subtracted. X by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 is already right hand side. 1 by 5 you will take right hand side. So it will be plus 1 by 5. Clear? So first what will you do? X variables one side and all the constant variable another side. So like that first you have to write the simple equation. Okay. So simple, first you have here x by 2 minus x by 3 one side and 1 by 4 and 1 by 5 4 another side. Now you have to solve the equations. Simply, so beta, here x by 2 minus x by 3. In denominator, numerator upon denominator is given. So what will you do? You will take the LCM of the numbers. So 2 and 3, what will be the LCM? 6. So 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 into x, you will get 3x. 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 into x, you will get 2x. Same, right hand side also you will take the LCM. 4 and 5 are the numbers. So what will be the LCM of 4 and 5? So it will be 20. Okay. So 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 into 1, 5. 20 divided by 5, 4. 4 into 1, 4. Now what will you get, beta? 3x minus 2x. So you will get 1x is equal upon 6 is equal to 5 plus 4, 9 upon 20. Clear? You are getting x upon 6 is equal to 9 upon 20. Now also you are getting in numerator upon denominator form, but you have to find the value of the variable. So what is the variable here? X. So simply you will find out the value of the variable. So x will be equal to 9 upon 20. 6 is in division, left hand side you can take in multiplication. So it will be multiplied by 6. Clear? Now what will you do? Simple, if you can cancel out, you can cancel out it. So 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 0. Okay. Now you can multiply 9 3s are 27, divide by 10. So what will be the value of x? So you can say 27 upon 10. Clear? X will be equal to 27 upon 10. So simple, how will you solve, beta? You have to find out both the sides variables values are given. So you have to put all the variable values one side and constant values one side and find out the value of the variable. So once I am explaining once again this question. So it is given x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So simple, x by 2 is already given left hand side. So you will put left hand side. x by 3 you will take left hand side, so it will be minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 5, and you will take right hand side, so it will be added because left hand side it is given in subtraction. Clear? Now 2 upon 3 it is given numerator upon denominator when fractions are given in subtraction and addition. So how will you solve beta? By taking LCM. So you will take the LCM of 2 and 3, so it will be 6. So 3x minus 2x, and right hand side also you will take the LCM of 4 and 5, so it will be 20, and 5 plus 4. So left hand side you will get 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x upon 6, and right hand side 5 plus 4, 9 upon 20. Clear? Now you have to find out the value of the variable x, value of the x. So 6 you can take right hand side, so it is given in division, so if you will take right hand side, so it will come in multiplication. Cancel out the numbers and you will get the value 27 by 10. So what is the value of x? So you can say it will be 27 by 10. If you can verify your answer, so simply the value of x you can put in the questions, okay, at the place of x, and find out the answer. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, so you can say yes, your answer is correct, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay, so simply how will you verify? Put the value of x in the question, and if you are getting left hand side is equal to right hand side, it means your answer is correct, otherwise it will be wrong. So like that you have to solve the questions. Okay, now second question, n by 2 minus 3n by 4. Okay, n by 2, question number second, n by 2 minus 3n by 4 is equal to plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. Okay, equation is given, you have to solve this equation and find out the value of the variable. So in this question beta you can see already all the variable values are given one side. Okay, because this is n variable, and this one is also the variable of n. Okay, n variable. So simply you can see all the variable values are given one side and constant value is given another side. So it is already given. So simple, what will you do? Left hand side it is given in numerator 2, 4 and 6, means numerator upon denominator form is given. So simple, taking the LCM. So 2, 4 and 6, what will be the LCM? So you can say it will be 12. Clear? LCM will be 12. 2, 4 and 6. You can apply the factorization method. 2, 4, 6. How will you find out the LCM beta? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again you will divide by 2, 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is. You will divide by 3, 1, 1 and 1. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Clear? So 12 will be the LCM of the number. Now 12 divided by 2, 6, 6 into n. So it will be 6n. Clear? Minus 12 divided by 4, 3, 3 into 3, 9n, plus 12 divided by 6, 2, 2 into 5, 5, 10n is equal to 21. Clear? Now it will be beta 10 plus 6. Okay, 10, 6n and 10n. Both are positive numbers. So 10 plus 6 you will get 16, and 16 minus 9. So you will get here 7n. 16 minus 9n. So 7n divided by 12 is equal to 21. Clear? Now you have to find out the value. First you will find out 7n. So 12 will go in multiplication because it is coming in division. It is in division left hand side. So you will multiply with 21. So 21 multiply 12. Now you have to find out the value of n. So n, 7 is given in multiplication. So you can take right hand side. So it will come in division. So divide by 7. 7 3s are 21. So 3 multiply 12. So you will get 36. So value of n will be 36. Is it clear? What is the value of n beta? So simply you can say it will be 36. So how will you solve a second question? Simply you can see all the here what is the variable, n variable is given, and all the variable values are already given in the question one side and constant values one side. So simply you will take the LCM and find out the value of the variable. So 2, 4, 6, what will be the LCM? So it will be 12. You can apply the factor method, okay, division method, factorization method to find out the LCM. Okay, and you can multiply 12 divided by 2, 3, 3 into 12 divided by 2, 6, 6 into and 6 and 12 divided by 4, 3, 3 is 9, 12 divided by 6, 2, 2 into 5, 10 n is equal to 21. Now 6n plus 10n, 16n minus 9n, you will get 7n by 12 is equal to 21. Now first you will find out the value of 7n. So 7n will be equal to 12 is in division, so it will come in multiplication. So 21 multiplied 12. Now what is the value of n? So 7 is in multiplication, so you will take right hand side, it will come in division, cancel out, and you will get the value of n is equal to 36. Clear beta? Okay. Next question. Question number 3rd. Reducible equation to simplest form means equation is given, you have to simplify it and find out the value of the variable. So next question, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3, x plus 7 minus 8x divided by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x plus 5x by 2. 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Okay. 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So you have to solve this equation. So simple first step, what will you do with the first step? I have told you all, but first you will check what is the variable in this question. So simply you can see x is the variable. Okay, variable means all the alphabetic values x, y, z, a, b, c, m, l, n. Okay, any variable. Okay, so it can be any variable. So it is given in this question, x variable is given. So first step, what will you do? You will take all the variable values one side. So x is already in left hand side, minus 8x upon 3 is in left hand side, 5x upon 2 you will take left hand side, so it will be added because it is given in subtraction. Now right hand side, 17 upon 6 is already right hand side, 7 you will take right hand side, so it will be subtracted. Clear? Now after that second step you will take the LCM. So 1, 2, 3. LCM will be 6. So 6 into 1, 6, 6x. 6 divided by 3, 2, 2 into 8, 16x. Plus 6 divided by 2, 3, 3 into 5, 15x is equal to 1. You will take the LCM 6. So 6 divided by 6, 1 into 17. 6 divided by 1, 6 and 6 7 are 40. Clear? Now solve this equation. So beta you can see 15x and 6x both are given in addition. So see 15 plus 6, 21. 21 minus 16. Okay. So what will you get here? 5x. Okay, 21 minus 16, so you will get 5x upon 6 is equal to 17 minus 42. So addition and subtraction, one addition, one subtraction, it means you will subtract the value. So 42 minus 17 you will get here 25. Okay, so what will be 25? So it will be subtracted because the greater value is 42, and what is the sign of 42? So it is subtraction sign. Okay, negative sign. So you will put the negative sign. Okay, so after that divide by 6. Clear? Now first you will find out the value of 5x. So 5x will be minus 25 upon 6. 6 will come in multiplication. You can cancel out. So what is left? Minus 25. Now 5x is equal to minus 25. So what will be the value of x? Minus 25. 5 is in multiplication, so you will take in division. 5 5s are 25, so x will be equal to minus 5. Okay, what is the value of x? So you can say x will be equal to minus 5. So how will you find out beta? So simply first step, what will you do? First you will check out what is the variable in this question. Okay, first you will check what is the variable in this question. After that you will take all the variable values one side and constant values another side. Clear? After that simply you have to take the LCM of the number. After taking LCM, solve this, add and subtract and multiply, divide, and after that find out the value of the variable. So what will be the variable? X is equal to minus 5. So simply you can say 1, 3, 2 in denominator. So LCM will be 6. Find out the number. Here also 6 and 1. LCM will be 6. 17 minus 42. Add and subtract. You will get 5x upon 6 minus 25 upon 6. Now 6 is in division, so it will come in right hand side. So it will come in multiplication. 6 and 6 cancel out. So what is left? Minus 25. Now 5x is equal to minus 25. So what will be the value of x? 5 is in multiplication left hand side. So you will take right hand side. So divide it and you will get x is equal to minus 5. Clear beta? Now next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. So what is question number 4 beta? X minus 5 upon 3. X minus 5 upon 3 is equal to X minus 3 upon 5. Clear? X minus 5 upon 3 is equal to X minus 3 upon 5. So you have to find out the value of X. So solve this equation. So when the equation is given like that, okay, you can see in numerator X minus 5 and denominator divide by 3. X minus 3 divide by 5. Okay, so complete numerator is dividing by 3, complete numerator is dividing by 5. So how will you solve this type of equation beta? So first step you will do the cross multiplication. Okay, do the cross multiplication. So after cross multiply, what will you get? 5 you will multiply by X minus 5. So 5 into X minus 5 is equal to 3 you will multiply by X minus 3. So 3 into X minus. Clear? Okay. So first step, when the equation is given like that, in numerator it is given in addition and subtraction 2 numbers and divide by the whole 1 number, and in right hand side also. So what will you do? First step you will do the cross multiplication. Okay. After doing cross multiplication you will get 5 into X minus 5, 3 into X minus 3. Apply the distributive property, solve the equation. So first you will open the equation. 5 into X, 5X, minus 5 into 5, 25, 3 into X, 3X, minus 3 into 3, 9. Okay, now this type of equation you have solved. So you will take one variable one side. So 5X, 3X this side, minus 9 plus 25. Clear? Now 5 minus 3 you will get 2X. Okay. Now 50 minus 9 plus 25. Okay, so you will get here 25 minus 9, simply 16. Okay, so what will be the value of X? 16 divided by 2, so it will be 8. So you can say X will be equal to 8. Is it clear? Clear beta? Okay, so simple first step, this type of equation is given. So how will you solve? By doing the cross multiplication. When will you do the cross multiplication? You will get this type of equation. So this type of equation, how will you solve? So you will open the bracket by using the distributive property. After that, put one variable values one side, constant values one side, and find out the value of the variable. So in this question, variable is given X. So what is the value of X? So you can say it will be 8. Clear? Now, next question, question number 5. Question number 5. 3t minus 4 by 2. Okay. 3t minus 4. Sorry, 3t minus 2 by 4. 3t minus 2 by 4. Okay. Next. Minus 2t plus 3 by 3 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay, 2 by 3 minus. Clear? So first you can see what is the variable in this question. You have to find out the variable. So variable is t. All of you can see in this question variable is given t. So first step, all the variable values one side. So 2t minus 2 by 4 you will put one side. 2t plus 3 upon 2. Okay, and minus t is given, so you will take left hand side, so it will be plus t is equal to 2 by. Clear? Now how will you solve this type of equation? By taking LCM. So 1 to 4, LCM will be 4. So you will get here 3t minus 2 minus 4 divided by 2, 2. So 2 into, you will multiply by the complete number. So complete is 2t plus 3. And plus 4 divided by 1, 4. 4 into t, you will get 4t is equal to 2 by. Clear? Now 4 you can take right hand side, so it will come in multiplication. So what is left in left hand side? This type of equation. So open the bracket. So 3t minus 2 minus 2 2s are 4t and minus plus minus 2 3s are 6 plus 4t is equal to 4 2s are 8 divided by 3. Clear beta? Now you will take all the variable values, you will add. So 40 and 40 you can cancel out. One positive, one negative. So what is left? 3t minus 2 and minus 6 minus 8 is equal to 8 by 3. Clear? Okay, so first, now what will you do? Variable values one side and all the constant values you will take another side. Clear? So beta, simple. 3t will be equal to 8 by 3 plus 8. Okay, so here also you will take the LCM. So 3t will be equal to 8 plus 3 8 ja 24 and divide by 3. So it will be 32 divided by 3. Okay, so what will be the value of t? 32 divided by 3. 3 is in multiplication, so it will come in division. Okay, so 1 by 3. So you can say 32 divided by 9. Clear? 32 divided by 9. So here what is the variable? T variable, and what will be the value of t? I think some mistake is there. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Clear? So 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 2. Okay, so is because here it is given 3. So you will take 3, not 2. Okay, 3. So what will be the LCM? 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12 will be the LCM. So here in multiplication it will be 12. I am solving once again. I am sorry beta. Okay. It was 3, not 2. So you will take the LCM. So it will be 12. 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 3 4s are 12. So 4 into 2t plus 3 plus 12t is equal to 2 upon 3. Now you can take 12 is in division, so it will come in multiplication. So what is left? This equation left hand side. So solve this. 3 3s are 9 minus 6 minus 8t minus 4 3s are 12 plus 12t is equal to 3 4s are 12. So 2 4s are 8. Clear? Now you will collect all the variable values. So minus 8t plus 12t. So 12 minus 8, what is left? 4t. Clear? Now 40 and one more variable, 90. 90 plus 40, what is left? So it will be 13t. Okay, minus 12 minus 6, it will be minus 18 is equal to 8. So 13t will be equal to 8 plus 18. So it will be 26. So what will be the value of t? So 26 divided by 13. So it will be 2. So you can say t will be equal to 2. Okay, t will be equal to 2. So how will you solve beta? Okay, is it not visible? So I am writing here. You can see 13t minus 18 is equal to 8. So from here you will write 13t will be equal to 8 plus 18. So it will be equal to 26. So what will be the value of t? 26 by 13. So it will be 2. So you can say t will be equal to 2. Clear? So simple first step beta in this question I am explaining once again. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 and 2 by 3 minus t equal to. Okay. So first you will take all the t variable one side. So it is also t variable, it is also t variable, and this one you will take left hand side. So it will come in addition is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Now divide in numerator upon denominator form is given. So second step you will take the LCM. So what will be the LCM of 4, 3 and 1? So it will be 12. So 12 divided by 4, 3 into this form. So this form means you will multiply 3 by the complete 3t minus 2. So 3 into 3t minus 2. 12 divided by 3, 4 into this number. Plus 12 divided by 1, 12 into t. So it will be 12t is equal to 2 by 3. 12 was in a division this side. So you will take left and right hand side. So it will come in multiplication. So I have taken in multiplication. Clear? Now open the bracket. So 3 3s are 90 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 2s are 80 minus 12 plus 12t is equal to 4 2s are 8. Clear? Now this type of equation already you have solved. First you will collect all the t variables. So 90 minus 8t, 1t plus 12t you will get 13t minus 6 minus 12 it is minus 18 is equal to 8. 18 you will take right hand side, so plus 18, so it will be 26. Means 13t is equal to 26. So t will be 26 by 13. You will get t is equal to 2. Okay, value of t it will be equal to 2. Is it clear? Clear all of you? So like that you have to solve the equation, reducible equation. How will you solve beta? This type of equation you have to solve first step. First you will check what is the variable in this question, in this equation. After that you have to find out all the variable values one side you will write and all the constant values another side. After that, next step, if the equation is given in numerator upon denominator form in addition and subtraction, so you will solve by taking the LCM. You will take the LCM, you will get the simplest form, and after that you will solve the equation and find out the value of the variable. So like that you have to complete question number 1 to 5. Okay, next question we will complete in our next class. Thank you so much for joining the class. It was all about today beta. Okay, thank you so much all.